Afang Sualauvi Parliamentu Tatu Patas Unale Tuang Tua Mata mo feel ni Maftang Salu tayo ito sa pangabo niya iya kalau dengan fokus iya ya ay tayo lemo para kita to papunta batas dia matato patiale para ngai no limus sa sama tato kalesia Peace Chapel Fellowship oleh sungai le papel ngai Samoa orang pamate di sini ya sola malai o asona o tobetit ya autele ro nate ola ya to ama mai vela masal Christian ya le wa be papel ngai ya tato papo yeli ngai de tua. It's been a privilege and joy for today to celebrate 50 years of Peace Chapel Fellowship in Samoa. And it's a pity that I was converted into the Congregational Christian Church, for I now have realized that maybe I should be a participant in this church. Maybe later on.
Nice way to say it.
But thanks to Andy and Leonie Bosquet for their commitment to God, giving them a big property for the construction of the church from in 1974 to that beautiful church building that we have witnessed today. Mele uko ale perfecta le unika. Ika yono fa yuko ba. Sole fa le tule li ya tole mele le. Sa ko se ne na wele to ya tole. Ya le oyimea paila le ton na na le rofa. Ke wai malo to male roto pa malam. Yeah, Peace Chapel. Let us have the humility to celebrate and honor God and glorify His holy name. Ya, manuel tato maftang, kalau file cuci pe oleh bala ina ya, kita semua.
Ya, pasti na mo le fio ai au malo tato malo. Onela ala tato keti ama ai lona ala. Jona tato pas dia. Tolu, lua, tasi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Peace Chapel. Happy birthday to you. Yamanuel wasofana. Yamanuel wasofana. Yaso hip hip, hip hip. Kasi Afioga da Vaaletoa hip hip.